So Albertsons used to have, and occasionally does have, really good trail mix, but you can only find it every once in a while. So I decided to get all the ingredients that I wanted for in my own trail mix. So I got chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, peanut butter chips, then caramel M&Ms. Definitely doesn't need to be in there, but it sounded so good. Maybe I won't actually put them in there. Maybe I'll just eat them. And then peanut M&Ms and an assortment of roasted and salted nuts to go in there. And then I haven't tried this exact granola, but dark chocolate hazelnut. Not sure about the hazelnut part to go in. Hopefully that'll be good. And then cranberries to go in as well. I think it's going to be amazing. Make some trail mix with the ingredients I showed you earlier. I realized that the trail mix that I was used to from the store had dried pineapple in it too. So we're gonna be missing that, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some gallons of block bags first. Maybe one or two. And then a measuring cup, just so if I happen to make something that I like and I want to repeat it, I can. I'm gonna use measuring cups. Probably like, what's this one? Quarter cup, that's what I was thinking to use. And 1 cup. Does that sound about right? Sure. Okay. I feel like I should have the most nuts and granola, and then kind of the other stuff is like quarter or half cups. So, I'll do that. Hey! Yeah! Warren's in his little rocking chair right down there. I want to get all this done and cleaned up before I have to go get Parker, because he will probably want some or all of it. I'm gonna do 1 cup of nuts. And another cup of granola. This might not end up being the best idea using this granola, because it can have like really fine pieces, especially if it gets rolled around. Looks good so far. I think we'll do cranberries next. See, really sticky. We'll see how that goes. Awesome. Okay. Use a whole cup of these, or at least a half. This quarter cup seemed like nothing. There's a cup of that. Seems like a lot. Okay, let's keep going. Scissors. Half a cup of each of these. Sounds good. Trying not to hit my head on the chandelier right above my head. Hold that over. Whoa! So those were the peanut butter chips. These are the white chocolate chips. Do half a cup of those. Gosh, it smells so good. On to milk chocolate chips. Definitely cannot let Parker know we have all of this. Because, my goodness, that's all he'll ask for. Another thing Mama's gonna have to hide. Okay, that looks amazing. Put some peanut butter M&Ms in there, or peanut M&Ms. Oh yeah, that looks like exactly like the stuff that I used to buy. Only this has granola and a few more nuts in it, and then again, dried pineapple. But that's okay. So these are peanut M&Ms. Which are just huge. See if we can even. I feel like this is silly putting them in here, but whatever. Half a cup of those. Maybe 3/4 of a cup. Okay. I'm thinking caramel ones too. I know this is not going to be the healthiest, but I'm not exactly going for health. And we're going for calorie dense. And it does have proteins with peanuts and peanut butter. Yeah, let's do some of these guys. Caramel M&Ms. Do like a half a cup of that. Why are these huge? I didn't realize these were huge. Why didn't I just scoop out of the peanut M&Ms? I don't know. Oh, those are both huge. I'm not gonna know which one's caramel, but that's kind of the point of trying my is you don't know, and you just throw a whole handful in. Okay. Close it up, mix it up. Call it good? Yeah? Yeah! The granola. This granola is really good. I want the heart. Maybe if I had different granola, it would be better, but that's okay. I think this is going to be great. I'm excited for it. I think that might fit like perfectly in there. And then it's just easier to store. And then you got all the ingredients. I have maybe a place to put all the ingredients. Okay. Dump it in. And what do we have? 20 minutes to get Parker. Hi, you said a little bit loud. Yeah. Holy cow, I can do a whole nother. Okay, let's see, where did we start? Cup and a cup. Wow. Okay, cool. Got a cup of nuts, cup of granola, I think a cup of dried cranberries. What? Oh, dog's tail. Okay. Whoa! Okay, stay in the bag, we're good. Put that in. And then, trying to remember, was it a half a cup on like pretty much all of this stuff? I think so. Could I switch this out for a half a cup? Yes, but this one is quarter cup is already dirty. And I can count to 2, so that's helpful. Wait, that's the first one. I'm not done, don't put that away. So on my drive home, which is like 25 to 30 minutes every day, I usually have like a bag of trail mix out that I'm snacking on the way home. So this is gonna be great. There, you put it in the bag and scoop it. I'm just trying to pour it into the little tiny cup, huh? Yeah, silly mom. Close this up and mix it up. Voila! Voila! I did not realize that the trail mix, or not trail mix, nut mix had like walnuts in it too. Not the biggest fan. Because there was this one and then there was like a deluxe. That's not all of it. Especially with the top that goes down. There was a deluxe nut one, and that one I noticed had walnuts and was like, nah, we'll pass. Okay, well, we have a little bit it wasn't gonna fit in there, but that looks so darn good. So excited. And this is a little wet because I cleaned it off. So let's dry that off before we close it in there. Okay. Should look good. Oh yeah. Okay. Now time to clean up. We got 15 minutes till we need to